Maggie, what is that? Maggie, is that from Papa Cobb and Donna? Oh boy. Oh boy. What is it, Maggie? Let's see. Oh my goodness. Bevo is interested. Bevo, get. This is Maggie's birthday. Maggie, look. Look. Take it out. Maggie, what's in there? Look. Maggie, look what's in there. What is it? Look. Pull all this paper out. Oh. What is it? Oh, Maggie, look how cute. A bunch of new shirts. Oh, how adorable. Oh, how cute. Yay. What else, Maggie? What else? Let's see. Oh my goodness, look at these cute. Oh, look at these cute shirts. Oh, those are so cute. Oh, what'd you find, Maggie? Oh, look, Maggie, here's a birthday card. Maggie, here's a birthday card. Oh. Say, I love you, Papa and Donna. Maggie, say thank you. Maggie, say I love you.